Conversational AI in 2026, the year the chatbot finally grew up. If you feel like you're hearing about conversational AI everywhere lately, you aren't imagining it. In 2026, we've hit the tipping point where the clunky, frustrated, I didn't quite get that bots of the past have been replaced by sophisticated AI agents. We are no longer just chatting with machines, we are collaborating with them. Here is a breakdown of how conversational AI has fundamentally changed the digital landscape this year. What is conversational AI? The 2026 definition. In 2026, the term has moved beyond basic customer service. Conversational AI is now defined as a multimodal orchestration layer. It doesn't just process text, it integrates voice, images, and real-time data to understand intent rather than just keywords. Unlike traditional chatbots that follow a rigid, if this then that script, modern conversational AI uses natural language understanding, NLU, to catch sarcasm, slang, and emotional tone. Dynamic context, the ability to remember what you said 3 minutes or 3 months ago. Agentic action, the power to actually do things, like rebooking a flight or processing a refund, instead of just telling you the policy. The big trends shaping 2026. The rise of agentic workflows. The hard hat year of 2026 is focused on ROI. AI is no longer a gimmick, it's an employee. Businesses are deploying action-oriented agents that connect directly to CRMs, like Salesforce, and ERPs. If you ask an AI, "Where is my order?" it doesn't just give you a tracking link. It checks the warehouse status, sees a delay, and proactively offers you a 10% discount for the trouble. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is the new IQ. Advanced sentiment detection is now standard. In 2026, if a customer sounds frustrated in their voice pitch or typing speed, the AI recognizes the stress and automatically adjusts its tone to be more empathetic, or seamlessly hands the call off to a human specialist with a full summary of the issue. Voice and multimodal discovery. We've moved into search-first social media. People are using voice to search Instagram and TikTok. Conversational AI acts as the concierge for these platforms, allowing you to ask, "Show me eco-friendly hiking boots under $100 that I saw in a video last week," and getting an instant, accurate result. Conversational AI versus traditional chatbots. Why it matters for your business. 24/7, gold standard. Support. Your C team at 3 a.m. now provides the same quality of service as your A team at 2 p.m. Hyper-personalization. Using Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, AI can access a user's specific history to provide recommendations that feel like a personal shopper, not a generic ad. Massive cost savings. Enterprises are seeing up to a 90% reduction in support costs by offloading routine inquiries to AI while letting humans handle high-value, sensitive cases. The verdict, the human-AI hybrid. The most successful brands in 2026 aren't replacing humans with AI. They are using AI to amplify them. By letting the conversational AI handle the boring stuff, password resets, tracking, basic Q&A, human agents are free to focus on what they do best, building real relationships and solving complex problems. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and get notified on daily updates.